The ketogenic, or keto, diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers various health benefits, including weight loss. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat, your body undergoes a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy instead of carbs. This shift not only aids in significant weight reduction but also helps in reducing blood sugar and insulin levels. The keto diet also provides an increase in energy, improved focus, and potentially relief from certain chronic conditions, showcasing its multifaceted benefits. Optimal nutrition on the keto diet revolves around a well-stocked pantry with specific types of food that align with its macronutrient requirements. Fats, a cornerstone of the diet, should include healthy sources like avocado and coconut oil, which provide sustained energy and aid in ketosis. Proteins are equally essential, with eggs and fatty fish not only supporting muscle maintenance but also offering omega-3 fatty acids. Crucially, to maintain a balanced diet, low-carb vegetables such as spinach and kale are indispensable, providing necessary vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while keeping carb counts low. Setting up your kitchen for success on the keto diet entails equipping it with specific tools and appliances to simplify meal preparation. A high-quality food processor is invaluable for quickly chopping and blending ingredients into keto-friendly dishes. Additionally, a spiralizer can transform vegetables like zucchini into low-carb noodles, offering a satisfying substitute for traditional pasta. These tools not only save time but also expand the variety of meals you can enjoy, ensuring your keto journey is both manageable and enjoyable. Embracing the keto diet is made simpler with starter-friendly recipes that are both nutritious and tantalizing. For beginners, key recipes span from breakfast to dinner, each designed to comply with keto's low-carb, high-fat requirements. Breakfast might include an avocado and egg bake, offering a filling start with healthy fats and proteins. Lunch could be a zesty chicken salad, rich in flavors and textures, while dinner options like a creamy keto Alfredo with spiralized zucchini noodles keep meals interesting and palatable. These recipes ensure adherence to the diet without sacrificing taste, proving that keto meals can be as enjoyable as they are healthy. Maintaining consistency on the keto diet is crucial for long-term success and can be achieved through several strategies. Meal planning is foundational. Preparing keto-friendly meals in advance ensures you always have the right food on hand, limiting impulsive eating choices. Tracking your macronutrient intake is also essential, enabling you to stay within the daily carb, fat, and protein targets crucial for maintaining ketosis. Furthermore, navigating dining out and social events with confidence involves choosing venues with keto-friendly options and communicating dietary preferences clearly, ensuring you can enjoy social activities without straying from your goals.